this is reality for my closet. It is a hot mess. So this is why I haven't shared perfumes, because trying to get it in a mess. The closed a whole mess. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. I am going to organize my closet. As you see, it has become total chaos. This is absolutely ridiculous, but this has happened over a span of getting my office space turned into a guest bedroom. So some of those things that I had in there, I actually had to bring them out of that closet, out of that room, out of my office, and bring it in here. So it's just been accumulating all of the things. So I need to declutter. Where do I begin? Okay, so start gathering all the hangers and placing them on here. So once I pick up clothing, clutter, get rid of clothing. We've been out here for like a little over a year. If I haven't touched the items, it's time for them to go. And then we're gonna start. If this is your first time clicking on my face, hello, I am Raquel Marie. I am Raquel. So if decorating, organizing, you know, getting our home and our life together, let's do it together. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I do appreciate you guys. Let's get this closet together. All of my handbags are just like everywhere. I need to get them back into the case. Stuff everywhere. Yeah. I love to travel with these little reusable travel bags. And something else I like to put in my travel bag, this is so random, but travel ponchos are always a great idea. I've lived in so many climates. Here in Florida, it just randomly rains. Living overseas, and so just keeping these little dollar ponchos. I think you'll find them at CVS, Walgreens. They're literally like $1. So keep these.
See, my days are cold without you. I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more.
This is all bed linen, sheets. Whew. Okay, I can see the floor. Hey you guys, so here is how much I was able to get accomplished. I cleared this part off. I can actually see my floor now. I have a ton to do. We're gonna declutter, dresser cleaned off. It is just a madhouse over here. Ways to go, but let's talk about progress. So actually just regular bookshelves from Walmart, and because it was a little taller, what I did was I went to the hardware store, to Lowe's, and I had them cut it down. And so I was able just to plop a bookshelf up here to create storage for shoes. I even have another bookshelf down here with more shoes. I have a basket of shoes. I just have a ton of shoes. I'll do my best to eliminate this whole entire situation and get the clothes put over here. And what I've started to do is hang my clothes this way instead of the traditional way we normally to look like I'm in a little boutique. So just go like this and flip through clothes, long jumpsuits and dresses and all of the things. It has gotten totally out of whack. Okay, work in progress. Work in progress. This is how much I've gotten accomplished. Yes. Now I'm going to either place my desk in this area. Finish cleaning it up. I need to wipe down this mirror. I got most of this mirror wiped down, but yeah, it's still a ways to go. But listen. Alright, so here goes my closet slash office now, cloffice as they call it. Like I said, it's temporary, but I made a little area for my desk. I have a longer desk. It was just taking up too much space, so I opted to use this little acrylic tray. I have my file cabinet and my planners, my clothes to come out as if I was in a boutique. Difficult sometimes, but as long as your hangers twist, it makes it easier to get them up here like that. Okay, up here. So that's what I have. I'm gonna add maybe like another one over here. It's on wheels. This one down here is on wheels. Love, love, love that. Then I have all like sandals and all the good things in here. Acrylic for your towels, like or blankets. That's what this is for. Okay, I found this at like an antique store, maybe a flea market. Decided to take all of my blankets off of here and put all of my pants. Pants were hanging here, and it was so heavy that it actually pulled out out the wall. But yeah, so and I like that I can pull it out and you know find and go over here and find a shirt, and through over here I just put my skirts right here. Look at that. So I can just slide it in out the way. Love, love, love. I was able to declutter. Still need to figure out some organization for my hats because I have so many more hats. And I just put this mirror here. Really cool. I think this is, you know, a wardrobe. All of these things came from Pier 1. Here cleaning up, and I might crack in my dresser. But my phone fell off and hit the drawer and cracked it. This thing has been around the world and back, multiple countries, and then I decided to break it trying to clean up in here. But you know, I can finally see the top. Thank you. Full of stuff. Updated handbag. I really don't have it. Maybe got this YSL since I posted my video a long time ago. I may have gotten that little other than that, I don't have a ton of new handbags. I think it's just those 3. So I think the last one I showed you was probably this one when we were overseas. Is it perfumes? My perfume collection is dwindling down because I've not repurchased any perfumes lately. I hope you enjoyed this, my little workstation. I hope you enjoyed this little video. I love that I placed it with hair things, so I don't have to run around look for it. I'm able to come get like hair things, and then I have like little bitty containers of rubber bands and all of it. Place for everything. Once it's in place, it's usually easy to maintain. But thank you so much for hanging and rocking out with me on this clean with me, organize, declutter, all of the things. Thank you so very much. If you did enjoy, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys on the next one.